Now tell me something. Who said gadgets have to fit in your pocket? Because this right here is a Lexus 350. The kind of gadget that turns heads before you even start the engine. Brand new vibes. Seats still wrapped like fresh bread out the oven. Untouched, unbothered, unbelievable with lightings everywhere. This isn't just a car. This is Bluetooth, luxury, and horsepower having a family meeting. The engine, so sharp, it's so big bores like it knows it's premium. You don't start this ride, you command it. From the leather to the LED lights, every inch of this machine says, I've arrived. That's the panoramic roof. So if you've been praying for a sign to upgrade your life, consider this your push to start moment. Because real ones don't just drive, they move with class. And class, my friend, looks exactly like this Lexus 350. Available now only from Gadgets by Aras, where technology meets lifestyle. And like I said, real ones don't just drive, they move with class.